say, stay there.
Stay there, stay there. Go to sleep, go to sleep.
Well done.
Yeah, it's midnight, Lexi.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry
Christmas,
Christmas,
Mommy.
everyone.
It's
Merry
midnight
Christmas
now.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lexi, because you've been such a good girl, I'd like you to be able to open a present. Would you like to choose one?
I want that one.
Which one?
Oh, yeah, that one. Okay.
Okay.
So,
So,
have a shake. Have a shake.
What
Shake
is
it around.
Oh my God.
Wow.
oh, I can hear something inside it.
Wow, let's see what it is.
And Snowy is watching you.
Oh, yeah. That's
Oh,
exciting.
wow.
Wow, that LOL surprise.
Wow.
Is it LOL?
Wow, it's LOL.
You love LOL, don't you? So everybody
Wow.
look at LOL. Oh, wow. Look, yeah.
You turn down the zip. Here's the zip.
Oh, you know how to open it.
She does, Daddy.
Wow, that's so clever. I would never know how to open that thing.
The zipper's open. You want to see what's inside, guys?
Oh, yes, please.
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yes,
What's-
please.
What's
Stay
inside,
down,
Mom?
Zoe,
Stay
down.
Snow.
Hey, don't.
Play with
That's
that
plastic. I don't know how to open the zipper. How do you open this? The zipper.
Let me. I think you're doing well.
Ah! You just put the zipper down.
Wow. Well
You
done,
want to snap
Lexi.
yourself?
Now, time to just open the wrapping. Wow, I have the LOL surprises.
Snowy, stay in your bed.
And also what we have got in here. How do you open this thing?
Another one.
Again, isn't it? There's more zippers.
More zipper.
Snow, in your bed, please. Show. Aha.
Where?
Here. Another plastic. Wait.
Guys, you know how to open this? This is very hard. Have you seen LOL surprises, guys? That's for Merry Christmas. And do you have any presents? You got the jacket, yeah? I can see it.
Okay. Give me a minute.
Okay, Snow, you go in your bed. There, go in your bed. Okay. There's the zipper.
Wow.
Yes, I got the right way. Also, it has. And what
Nearly
have we
there.
got? So, we got a LOL surprise.
Oh, there's a heart. Show me the heart. Let's focus. Wow, that's a mirror. And there's Mommy. Guys, you can see me. And Daddy is over there.
Hey, don't play with that cup.
Where is Daddy? I can't see Daddy. Ah, there.
There he is.
There's Daddy.
Mommy, how do you open this thing?
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
How do you open this?
Okay. So I think you need to press that thing. Let me figure out.
It's a heart. Ah, you just put the plastic off it. Well, what have we got here? We've got the plastic. What's inside the plastic? Wow, golden shoes. Shoes.
Mary, go in your bed.
And the dress up. Wow.
In your bed. Snowy, in your bed.
This must be a rock star. Let's keep the dress ups there. And which doll have we got? Surprise! What's inside? Okay, let's see what we got. Wow, we got curly
hair.
hair.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh my God, it's amazing. Look at that.
And also
The
we
hair is
have,
awesome.
and also let's take the mirror.
Can you please?
Okay, now let's look for the other supplies for this doll. She got something here. Let's see what she got. Wow, a lot of weapons here. Oh, I know. She's got the hair.
Another hair.
And she's got something. I think we
Wow,
should put
look
her
at this.
bun here. Well, let's take off this. Okay. Time to put it on her. Well, she needs it at the back.
Show.
She has curly
Oh, she-
hairs.
She has curly
And-
hairs.
What else we got here? Curly's. Wow, Curly's. Curly hairs. What's inside here again? Well, what have we got? Oh, I know.
What is it?
Well, she got clips.
Oh, a headband.
And also
Look,
she
guys.
got, of course, those are things.
Headband. What else?
LOL
What
is,
is this, baby?
that's a dress.
Oh, it's a nice.
She has
dress.
pins. She has pins, Mommy. This hurts her.
Wow. I love this hair.
And which one have we got in here?
Oh, she's got some. She's got curly hair.
Yes, she does have
Oh,
curly.
and hair rollers. Oh, another surprise inside. She's got beautiful earrings, baby. Have you noticed it?
Yeah.
Oh, and the hair comb.
Yeah, what have you got inside
Another
another one? And now you can put your dough inside. Okay, another surprise coming. Wow, another. How did that happen? She's got a golden thing.
What is that?
That's her. You can fill some water inside it. Let's go and fill some water
Okay.
and see if she cries. Let's see. But she doesn't cry.
So you need to keep this thing so you can keep all the accessories inside, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got a
scissors.
hairpin also. Look, show them this.
That hurts her. That hurts her thing when she goes to bed. Like this.
Oh no, you coughing. You put it on her dress.
Yeah. Yes, he looks cute with it. How do you put it on? Come on, get inside.
Let me try.
Mom,
Yeah.
let's take the sticker, but where is the...
Where is the?
Is this like a sticker? Do they have stickers? So an LOL makeup. And also she got a bottle. Let's put her boots on. Can we put her boots on?
Let me put this first.
Okay.
So you've got to open that,
So, can we put the boots in here?
and then this.
Here's the
And there
boots.
it is.
Put
She's
the
now dressed up. Yeah.
Shush.
There. Yay, look. She's so cute. Baby. There she
Wow.
is.
And also let's put her.
What's that?
That's her boots.
Uh-huh.
She got golden boots with black. I don't know how to put these boots on. Well, let's try. And then let's try this one after this.
Okay, hurry up, man.
Her boots go on. She's like a witch. I want to buy that dress up. That thing looks cute, though. Her boots look cute. I think she might get cute with earrings. If you can put her bottle here.
Yeah. So you can keep her stuff in there. Oh, why don't we put the headband?
I'm thinking about my mommy.
Yeah.
How do you wear it inside?
How about this, baby? So she can also wear this. Look.
And she got a hair ring. I think this can fit. Also, she has pins for her hair. If she can go to sleep, she might get her hair
Tangled.
hair sting. It hurts the.
Okay, so that's one of your presents.
Now first,
How about this?
that one is so cute, but that one is way hard. It's going open this one here.
Yeah, okay.
So let's start with this one is not Rainbow Dash. Well, Rainbow Dash is my
What is that?
favorite.
What do you think is that?
Equestria! Wow!
Is that Equestria?
We got Twilight! She's my favorite doll. We got one of that before.
Show me. There, that's Equestria. Oh, open this. Take it off from the.
I'm taking her off now. She must be walking. We got the same like her.
There she is.
Last
Next
time.
one.
Okay, let's look for Rainbow Dash. Look for
Do you think
Rainbow.
that's Rainbow Dash?
Yeah, that is Rainbow Dash.
Are you sure?
Yeah, she is gonna be Rainbow Dash. Okay, let's go look for Rainbow Dash. I think Rainbow Dash fits with her nice shirt. And she looks water. Can you take this off me,
Please.
please? Let's see what we got here. It's gonna be Rainbow. Oh, not Rainbow Dash.
What is it?
You got me the wrong one. I want Rainbow Dash.
Well, maybe let's wait for your birthday. You might get one.
Pinkie Pie looks so worried.
Do you like it?
Yes, she looks so worried because everyone is staring at her.
Really?
But when she was out inside the classroom,
Yeah.
everyone was staring at her.
Oh. And then she got shy.
Yeah, but she did not.
Uh-huh.
I got my favorite doll, Pinkie Pie.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it.
She's so cute. You can her dress up.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, thank you
Yay.
for my presents, Mom.
Oh, and
And Daddy.
yay! You're welcome. It's our pleasure.
Mom,
baby.
how do you put her?
We love you. You know.
How do you put her accessories in here?
Well, you need to figure out.
Well, how How do you put it in? I can't put it in.
I will figure out. Okay, let's say bye-bye then.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you for
Thank you
watching.
for watching.
What they should do?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Awesome Rexy Vlogs.
Yeah, and say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Give them blockies, man. You're busy there then.